Do you spend hours creating a status report, send it out, and everyone loves it? And then within the first 24 hours, somebody comes back and says, "That's great, but can we have it by cost center?" And then somebody else pings you and says, "Fab chart, but can I have it by activity instead?" And then you have to do it all over again. Well, I'm going to show you something today that saves that rework. Hi, my name's Anne from Adair-Major Consulting, and today I'm going to walk you through a feature that I use every single week to save myself hours. It's called field parameters. It's a simple drag and drop feature within Power BI that gives your reports next level dynamic interaction. I'm going to use our Power BI project budget dashboard to showcase how I use field parameters to really level up my interactivity with a report that I build. So looking at the cost analysis page here, I've got one table, and previously I would have had to define what was in that first column. So to make it much better, we'll build out these dynamic options. In the table, you'll see that I've got latest estimate and activity name, and it's a lot of detail. So it's not always the level that I want to see. First up, I'll create a new parameter, choosing field parameter. I give it a name, in this case, cost parameter. Now I just need to select the fields I want my users to be able to switch between. The order I pick them here is the order they'll show up, so just watch out for that. Then, really important, make sure you've got Add Slicer to this page ticked. Then I hit Create. That's honestly all the heavy lifting done. Power BI is going to write the DAX for me. Here you go, you can see it, and all it says is these are the options that my report user can choose from. You'll see that I've created a slicer visual here. Right now, the table is fixed on latest estimate and activity name still. However, once I replace that activity name field with my new cost parameter field, then that's linking both the slicer and the table together. To make it look better, I'll change the slicer style to buttons. I also update the colors and the format so that it matches my report style. If you'd like to see more ways of making a slicer look great and really polish your user experience, I've got a couple of videos on customizing slicers that I'll link here for you. And that's field parameters. Your report users are going to love it, and it's going to save you so much time.